This is a Husqvarna YTH21K46 lawnmower that developed belt slip after mowing a field of tall milkweed. The problem proved to be fairly simple. I'd replaced the drive belt earlier, and this was a different problem. Turns out the brake pedal also engages or disengages a belt between the engine and the hydrostatic transmission. We're under the tractor. I've taken off the deck and we can see the belt. Unfortunately, it's fairly loose right now, which is why it's slipping. The brake is not applied. Turns out the problem is simply some grass and debris that collected between the steering plate and the brake mechanism. So I simply need to remove that. I've taken out the collected grass, and now we can see why that was a problem. The brake pedal has a lever that sticks out a little bit, and it was not able to move all the way down because of the grass. Now that we've solved the problem, the belt is snug, and the tractor works fine. Here's another view under the mower with the grass cleaned out. I'm going to work the brake pedal, and we can see where it was binding on grass. Let's look at the clutching mechanism. It's now snug and the belts are tight. Everything is working fine.